Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 15 till the 21st of June 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Come on. Person or your partner's current feelings for you. We have the Four of Pentacles. Somebody here is holding on to something very very tightly. It's like they're not letting it go. Okay, there's this sense of stubbornness. There is this sense of I'm never letting go of this. This is important. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as their feelings for you for this situation. I have the Death card and the Seven of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. Okay. This is somebody who is feeling like there's no more confusion. They are not looking for any other options. They're not interested in anybody else or anything else. They feel like they should hold on to this connection, this bond, that you guys are going to be either together at some point of time or everything is going to be fine. They feel like holding on to this connection only because they're not able to find happiness or they're not able to find that kind of positivity and that kind of love from anything or anyone the way they're having it with you. Okay. Okay, so there's no confusion, there's no ifs and buts. They feel like you are the one for them. Okay, nice. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? I don't know, they're saying it to you or confessing it to you or expressing it to you. They are just having their own world and they are living in it, in that world with you. Okay, like in their world only, in their imagination. From your side, you feel like Ten of Pentacles. You feel like either focusing more on your job, career, finances, stability, and or focusing on your family and family, something related to your family or your stability is very very important for you guys right now. So you might be focused on that, and or in this equation there is something that is related to your finances or family background that might be creating some kind of obstacles. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation here, Pisces. I have the Five of Cups and the Hermit and the Seven of Swords. This Seven of Swords is killing me today. Wow. So you feel like hiding your pain in silence and hiding your being upset all the time, missing somebody all the time, having some kind of regret and or guilt regarding something or someone. You feel like maintaining an energy of I'm fine, I'm more than fine, I'm the happiest person alive on this planet Earth by continuously keeping yourself with busy with family or finances. Finances like money, job, career, business, or something like that. So you feel like you should pretend that you are the most happiest person alive on this planet Earth, even if you're hurting from inside, even if whenever you are sitting with yourself, all you can think about is betrayal, cheating, lie, manipulation, somebody who stole from you, somebody who did something wrong with you. But you feel like you should pretend that you're okay and you're fine, and you definitely feel like hiding your feelings from everyone, in fact yourself also, because you feel like if I'm going to connect with my feelings, I might lose my senses. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Nine of Swords. This person definitely want to get out of this stressed out kind of energies, anxious state of mind. They can't sleep at night because of the restlessness they're getting because of the situation. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords as their intentions for the situation between you and them. Just give me a second. Yeah. So I have the Six of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups. Okay, they want to get rid of the situations. Even if they're holding on to this situation, they feel like they are never going to get anybody like you. They feel like shifting all of their focus from this situation to themselves, on themselves, their money, job, career, finances, and most importantly, their freedom and their independence. They just want to walk away from the situation because it's making them feel like shit all the time. They can't sleep at night. They can't be at peace with anything or anyone. So they just want to be at peace by leaving this situation behind and focusing on themselves and making themselves the center of attention of their world. Wow. So their feelings and their intentions are two totally different things. You know, because feelings are from heart and intentions are from mind most of the times. That's why these are two different things. These can be totally two different things. Okay. So don't get confused between feelings and intentions. Somebody can want everything from you, but they still cannot love you. And somebody can want nothing from you, but they can love you till their death. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Judgment card. You just want to forget and forgive and move ahead. You just want to bring something dead back to, back on the table so that you can properly heal it and release it, and then you guys can move forward with or without each other. There's a sense of bringing justice on the table regarding a situation that's dead and buried, but you want to bring it back on the table and you want to forget and ask for forgiveness, maybe, and maybe the vice versa, and release the situation properly. Okay, and heal yourself properly. Let's clarify the judgment as your intentions for this particular person or situation. I have the Three of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. Yeah, you just want to talk it out with this person regarding this heartbreak, this hurt, and this pain, and this being up in the air kind of, or being on the crossroads kind of situation, so that you guys are going to find peace in your individual lives also and in the situation also. Okay, as a team. Like whether you want to come together or not, that's a different chapter. That's a different story from both the ends. But you definitely want to have at least this last proper closure, last conversation with this person, so that you guys will be able to get out of this hurt and pain and get out of this being up in the air, being on the crossroads kind of energies all the time, so that things can be healed in your individual lives also, and maybe in the situation also. I don't think so, but maybe. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 21st of June, Pisces. We have this the Emperor. Okay, I do see somebody taking the charge of the situation in their hands and trying to sort things out in a very mature, very practical way, trying to be a little bit hard, but from inside they're not that much hard. They are just talking from experience. Okay, they have gone through so much in their life, now they know how to handle these kind of things. That's why they want to operate from this kind of energy, not out of hatred or revenge or pay or I'm going to show you who I am, but out of experience and wisdom and knowledge. Let's clarify the Emperor as the potential outcome here for you guys, Pisces. I have the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles. Yep. Somebody here is going to be in this energy of, okay, whatever happened in my life. Now I'm going to make sure from this point onwards I'm going to start keeping my heart open. I'm going to keep myself mentally clear and emotionally very very clear, and I'm going to put in the effort and energy from my side, step by step. I'm not going to rush into anything or anyone. I'm not going to make so many efforts for something or someone that doesn't deserve it. Okay, it's like a shift in belief system. It's like a shift in energies, from this energy of wanting to, okay, one of you is wanting closure here, so that once they are going to get the closure, they are going to learn from this experience, and they are going to keep their heart and their mind completely clear and open to the idea of connecting or maybe reconnecting with you, or connecting with totally new people, new energies, and putting in the effort and energy from their side step by step. They are not going to mess this up this time. They are going to make sure, whether it's you or them, but for most of you it's you only. You guys are coming back to this energy and realization that you cannot change the past, no matter how saintly, godly, or spiritual kind of a person you are. But what you can do from this point onwards is you are going to learn from your mistakes and you are going to grow. as a person, as a soul, and you guys are going to be very, very mentally and emotionally clear about how you are going to proceed further in this area of your life, in this department of your life. That's the outcome. Change in belief system, total complete change in belief system and energies. Let's see the guidance here for you guys. I have the Two of Wands and the Sun card and the Queen of Pentacles. If you're continuously waiting for somebody to show up at your door to give you the clarity and answers that you're seeking for, and then you are going to start being happy, then you are going to start living your life to the fullest, you're making a fool out of yourself only, Pisces. Okay, start living your life to the fullest right now only. If somebody is going to show up, good. If they are not going to show up, very good. You should get your own closure. You should start your own healing. You know the reality with all of your heart and soul. You know each and everything on a soul level, on a human level. And if you are still waiting for somebody to just give you like a thumbs up, or just give you an award, or just give you this energy of, oh, okay, I'm sorry, now you can move forward, then you are just wasting your precious lifetime and efforts and energy on something that might or might never happen, Pisces. I'm not hurting you, or I'm not saying you are doing anything wrong or something. I'm just telling you to start living your life to the fullest. Don't wait for something or someone to show up and make you happy. It's your own responsibility to make yourself happy or make yourself miserable. Take the charge of your life in your own hands. Stay mature, stay grounded, but at the same time, stay very, very compassionate and loving also. First of all, towards yourself, and then to other people, other situations that are actually good for you and meant for your healing and for your growth. Don't ignore those people and those situations are there for you. Don't ignore them. Just give me a second. This mic thing, this kills me sometimes. Yep. Okay, so don't ignore your own well-being. Don't ignore your own happiness, and keep on moving forward. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. I think I extended the time here also. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. That's the message for you, if this is making sense. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.